So now we are done. Now enter file in which to save this thing. So I'm not gonna enter any file. I'm gonna leave it this default file. So it's gonna drop it at the home. I think so. So we have termworks, files, whatever and whatever and whatever. So I'm just gonna hit enter. So you see here they're gonna prompt that this file whatever already exists. Do you want to overwrite it? Yeah, because I've done that, so I already have this file here. So I will say yes, I want to override it. So actually it's not going to affect my work because I've done my work. So I'm going to hit enter. So it's going to tell you enter a passphrase. So I don't need any passphrase. I'll just hit enter. Enter same passphrase again, just enter, and boom, that's it. So what next? The next thing is we want to view our project. We want to see the passkey that has been created. So I'm gonna scroll up and I'm gonna look for this ID, this key here. ID, whatever. Oh shit. Let me go back again. I'm gonna look for this ID. Then I'm gonna put this here. Copy it. Copy. Because this file is saved in your directory, but if you want to make things simple, just copy this, copy the whole of this from this point to where it ends. So just copy this so that I don't make things complicated for you. So you copy the whole of that, then you come here and put cat to view what we have there, then you paste it there. So I'm just gonna paste this dude here, paste, and I'm gonna hit enter. And this is the key. A whole bunch of rubbish. Like, what's all this? Like, seriously? No, 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 no. Can you see this so much? But don't worry, we're gonna copy that. So I'm gonna start from this SSH here and SSH.rs. So start there and copy that from here. Copy, copy to where we have your local host. And you're gonna stop there and you're gonna click on the copy. And that's it. Now the next thing you're gonna do after copying that, you're gonna go to your GitHub. Then your GitHub. Where is my GitHub? Yeah, this is my GitHub. This guy here. So I'm gonna go to my GitHub. Then let me scratch my back a little bit. Wait for this guy because it loads very slow. So I'm gonna scratch my back. Then gonna wait for minutes, seconds, hour, days, millennium, decades. I'm going back. And here we are here. So what do we want to do now? The code you have copied, you're gonna open this. So you just drag this, dude. Yeah. Then you come to. Oh, sorry, not that. I don't expect to have this. So I'm just gonna go to the end side, the last point of my this thing, which is this point here. Then I'm gonna click on this my icon that have a drop down on it, and I expect some drop down. So buddy, I'm waiting for you for that drop down. Please don't waste my time. Drop down. Good. Drop down is on its way. Now I'm gonna click on settings. So just click on settings, which is this, and you expect some miracle somewhere. Actually, I don't know how they created this GitHub, but one day maybe I'll find out. I'm gonna create my own GitHub. And my own will not be stressful like this. Okay, so we have this, yeah. So you're gonna zoom to where we have SSH key. So you're gonna zoom here and click your SSH and J, whatever you wanna click there. So I'm gonna click on that. I don't know whether I've clicked on it. I want to click on it again to show whether I've clicked on it. So I'm gonna zoom back. So we are here. Now I'm back. So actually I've created I've created 0_day. I've created me. So I'm gonna create another one. So I'm gonna click on new SSH. So actually this my 0_day is no more valid because I have overwritten it and it's nowhere in my public distance. So nowhere to be found. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a title. Make sure your title is the same. Make sure your title is the same. So I'm gonna put it so that you know that this for your project. Don't just put anyhow name. So I just put git underscore. What do I put it? It does not matter. So git underscore project. So I'll just come here and paste the key there. Just come over here and paste it there. Boom, and just add the key. And my brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. You are done. Okay, I'm not done. No. Let me add my password. So sorry, I think my password supposed to pop up. So I'm just gonna click here. So I'm gonna drop some fucking suggestion there. So just hit confirm. And that is it. So it has been created successfully. So the next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna check if we have it there among the list of keygens I've created. So I'm gonna be deleting all those keygens because they're no more valid. I'm not gonna use them. Or are you gonna use them? No. So you see the last thing we have here is what? Git underscore project. So I've never used it, that is why it's still highlighted gray. But if you have used it, you see last use within the last week, read slash write, and last use within the last week, read and write, or whatever grammar. Yeah. Now we are back to where we are. So with this alone, you are good to go. You don't need to do any other thing. You just go and run. Just come here and run your command. Just come back to your Tamox, Tumox, Tamox, Tremor, whatever. So shit. So we are out of the place. I'm gonna go back. Everything is clean. So for you, those of us that have don't have anything that is clean, what we're gonna do, um, you can then run your git push, then git push origin, git push. So I'm gonna push this guy here. Not supposed to be there. Git push, then origin, then you can just put master, then you just hit enter, and you're good to go. Just hit enter. So that's what they're gonna do. Those of us that have not done that, so make sure you do that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna create a file inside my repository. I'm gonna create a directory inside my repository. So I'm gonna call the repository 0x0 background. So I'm gonna say make directory. So not make circuit. Make directory. So dir and that's it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the name of what we're gonna create. So I'm gonna say 0x0 then underscore background. Underscore that background. Anyway, dash backgrounds. BAGRENT. That's it. So just gonna create that. So if we check that, we expect to have our folder. So I'm gonna navigate inside this folder. So cd and navigate inside the background folder. Just hit enter and yeah, that is it. So you check this. It's not even aware of this. So well, Git is not aware of this. That is wonderful. It's not aware of this. So I'm gonna clear my screen so we have a plain screen. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna create a readme file. Gonna push some stuff inside. So what I'm gonna put inside this file. Sorry, I think this guy supposed to have a readme file? I don't know. So just make sure you create a readme file for it. Doesn't matter. So you can just put readme file, then you can put this. But actually inside here I want to create a file inside, so I'm going to call the file. So I'm going to say so I'm going to create the file. I don't know what's the name of the file. So it can be zero dash. You just check what's the own name. So hello underscore, so underscore, so underscore. So we have just created a net file, an empty file. But actually, we're not going to write anything inside. Are we going to do that? No, we're going to do that. So what I want to do, so I'm going to get away from this one. So if we check list, I expect we have that file there, which is this file. So I don't know if I'm correct with this spelling, whether it's zero or O, anything. Just make sure you check the spelling and confirm if it is zero or it is O. I don't know. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to write the name of our system inside it. And how we're going to do that? So I'm going to echo Linux inside that. So say echo. So I'm just going to put name. That is your name. What's your name? I'm going to put space. Then I'm going to put the name of this thing where I want to echo it inside. So I'm going to then what I want, where I want to echo that inside. So inside, I want to echo it inside this. So I'll just hit enter, and boom, we are done. So if we cut, we want to check what we have inside there and hit enter. You see, oh, actually we have your name inside. Like seriously? Oh no 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 no. Actually, how can I get that? Let me try echo. Then let me try this. A dollar sign. And inside my dollar sign, I'm gonna put name. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna. This will replace whatever we already have here. So I'm gonna put um, the direction of that and hit enter. So let me go and check again. See if I'll have Linux. And I'm just praying for God to help me. God help me. God help me. I don't want to see Linux there. And that is it. So we have Linux inside it. So if you want to run something, it's probably something like your name. Inside you want to get this, or you want to run something like date to get your date. You make sure you put everything inside a dollar sign inside a bracket, something like this. You echo it, so you say dollar sign, then you put this maybe your date, or you can put your name inside there and make sure you just close it. So if I come here and okay, echo that and no, let me come here and put echo, echo space, just hit date, invalid date, user date. But just make sure you echo them individually. So don't mind what I'm doing. Just the best way to learn, I tell you, the best way to learn is to try, make mistakes. From your mistakes you learn. Don't always want to get it correct. Always try to have undergo the error. Every developer, every software engineer, they learn from trial and error. You're gonna learn things to some certain extent, but at least try some things like, okay, let me try this. Even though I've not done it before, but let me just try it. Let me do something different from what other people have been doing. That is it. And I'm gonna play that. Okay, so that is that. So don't forget, actually, if you check your this thing, your Ubuntu, you see something like TMP, and that TMP is highlighted. It's kind of green color, and you know how to do that? I'm not sure you know how to do it. But actually, if I say make directory, if I make directory, make directory. Now say tmp and hit enter, and now say ls. Oh shit, this is ls. You see we still have 0, hello, ubuntu, and temp here, but I don't want that. I don't want that. I want it to be highlighted. How can you do that? It's very simple. You say make, then say directory, dir, then put it in a mode. Which mode? Kind of security forms. You put 777 space, then you put tmp, then hit enter. It already exists. Actually, okay, let me delete the one we have. So let me say rm. I want to remove that. So tmp, remove, gone. Now let me run that again. Make directory dash mode, then 777. So let me zoom so you see what I'm writing. You see that? I hope you can see that. Let me reduce my screen again because I'm getting confused. Oh, actually, are we here? No. Clear. Yeah. So let me check if we have anything there. Yeah, it's empty. Actually, this guy is not here. TMP. This guy, I expect this guy to be gone by now. Cannot remove. It is a directory. Oh, actually, that's not remove directory. So rm-r. Then you put tmp. Then you hit enter, and I'm sure it's gone by now. So if I say ls, good. God, I bless your name. So we have cleared that. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we want to make a mode of that tmp. Want it to be highlighted. You say make directory, then space. You're gonna put it in a mode, m mode. Then you're gonna set it in 777. Then space. What are you gonna do? You're gonna put the name of the file tmp and hit enter, and that's it. Like actually, that's it. So when you clear that here and you check ls, you see this guy is kind of highlighted, but tmp kind of highlighted. Oh, what's this? You see, we have tmp, but it's highlighted. It's kind of a secure type of folder. So now I'm gonna clear my screen because I don't like this. Clear. So what I'm gonna do? Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom off. So it seems a bit big, kind of big. So what am I gonna do here? The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna git, then add. I think I've added git. Now let me show you the secret behind that dot git then add. That git add dot. Let's see what we have here. So let's say ls space then dash a. You mean a? Like a? Yeah. Or hit enter. Actually, we don't have anything there. But actually, we're not going to create TMP, so the only is just to use the. So I'll just say git commit, git then commit, then alright, message is gonna be Linux. Put Linux there. And then we're gonna hit enter, and we have done that. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna push. So we'll say git push, git security for git push. That is it. It's successful. You have Delta there. I know it's from Delta State. You have Delta. You have to use the only Delta people that are popular in this place. Only Delta. What is Delta doing here? Please, if you are from Delta, congratulations. You have passed this test. Okay, so what you just need to do, if you have followed these and you have applied plus your brain work and you go and check this by now, I expect that you should have checked everything and you are good to go. You are good to go. I mean, you are good to go, really good to go. So I'm gonna clear my screen. So please, if you have learned today, you have learned nice things, you have learned a lot, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe because my life depends on that. Actually, my life does not depend on that. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like. You can drop comment if you have any questions or you have anything. So thank you and I love you guys. Bye.